Hello friends, this is Satyam Sinha. So here we are going to write our first Python code on our PyCharm IDE. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, fire up your PyCharm IDE. Okay. Uh, in the previous video, I showed you that how to create your first project. If you haven't watched it, do watch that. Otherwise, the things will not be cleared for you. Okay, so this is our project which we have created in the last video. So uh, Python tutorial. So right click over there and click on new and go to the Python file and just click there. Okay, so name whatever Python file you can name it. I'm naming it as tutorial and hit enter. Okay, now here we are going to write our first Python program, just to display my name on the output screen, so that you will find it quite interesting that wow, so something is happening. So right here, print hello world. Okay, something like that. And if you are irritated by this one, like green underline like stuff, then you can remove it simply by right clicking it, just hovering it, sorry, right clicking, not just hovering it, typo change to, and maybe there's some kind of spelling mistake or something like that. So there is a typo, I think that's why it is showing me like that. Forward it and save that. You can run it by this button, which is run hello world. Click that. Why there is can't open the file hello world.py. Oh, sorry. To run that, if it this is a brand new file, so you have to run it like that. You have to right click on this editor and here run tutorial. Okay, and just click that. You can see that hello world is being printed. Whatever you will write here got printed on the output screen. So you can write anything, you can write your name also, like in case my name Satyam Sinha, and then running that again, and here we go, Satyam Sinha, and like that you can display something on the output. So this is our Python first program. Okay, so see you in our next video. Thanks for watching this video.